Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Videoleap app not working problem. Videoleap is a powerful video editing app, but sometimes it may not open, crash suddenly, freeze while editing, fail during export, show something went wrong, lag or load slowly. Do not worry, most issues can be fixed easily. Follow the solutions below step by step. First, what you can do is sometimes the app just glitches. What you can do is when you open to your Videoleap, you can simply go back to the Videoleap app and restart the app, and after that you can open it again, or you can also restart your phone. This clears the temporary system bug. You can turn off your phone, wait for 30 seconds, turn it back again, or you can also go to the check for the app updates. What you can do is you can go to your app store here, and if you find any update just beside the open, simply tap on the update if available. And some features require the internet as well. Template music pro verification. What you can do is go back to the notification settings. Here you can switch between your Wi-Fi or the data, and you can also turn your airplane mode on and off, then try again. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.